उम्र अय्यार
कोई दिलचस्पी दुनिया की कहानी सुनाऊंगा, कोई गाफ की।
सबसे बड़ी फिल्म,
तहलका मचा देने वाली कहानी,
You really don't know who you are.
सबसे ज्यादा बिजनेस,
लेकिन हम तुम्हें प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
जादू, साइंस और पूरी सरारियत का हसीन इम्तजाज।
एक ताकतवर फ्रेम को हासिल करना चाहता है।
नॉर्थ अमेरिका के सिनेमाओं में रिलीज हो चुकी है।
इस इलाके में लक्का की हुकूमत चलेगी।
आज ही अपने करीबी थिएटर्स जाएं, चेक करें।
तुम्हें वाकई मुझ पे इतना भरोसा है?
दुनिया भर में कहानियों में सबसे ज्यादा पढ़ा जाने वाला ये किरदार पहली मर्तबा आपके सामने।
मान लोगे तो जान लोगे।
उम्र अय्यार देखना मत भूलिएगा।
दुश्मन से कह दो हम आ रहे हैं।
और देखने का मौका मत गंवाइएगा।
तैयारों तैयार।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let me take you to the special news. Brazil Supreme Court decriminalizes possession of marijuana for personal use. UN-backed contingent of foreign police arrives in Haiti as Kenya-led force prepares to face gangs. Mark Rutte is named NATO chief. He will need all his consensus building skills from Dutch politics. Brazil's Supreme Court on Tuesday voted to decriminalize possession of marijuana for personal use, making the nation one of Latin America's last to do so in a move that could reduce its massive prison population. With final votes cast on Tuesday, a majority of the justices on the 11-person court have voted in favor of decriminalization since deliberations began in 2015. The justices must still determine the maximum quantity of marijuana that would be characterized as being for personal use and when the ruling will enter into effect, that is expected to finish as early as Wednesday. The first UN-backed contingent of foreign police arrived in Haiti on Tuesday, nearly 2 years after the troubled Caribbean country urgently requested help to quell a surge in gang violence. A couple hundred police officers from Kenya landed in the capital of Port-au-Prince, whose main international airport reopened in late May after gang violence forced it to close for nearly 3 months. It wasn't immediately known what the Kenyans' first assignment would be, but they will face violent gangs that control 80% of the Haiti's capital and have left more than 580,000 people homeless across the country as they pillage neighborhoods in their quest to control more territory. Gangs also have killed several thousand people in recent years. Over the course of more than a dozen years at the top of Dutch politics, Mark Rutte got to know a thing or two about finding consensus among fractions, coalition partners. Now he will bring the experience of leading 4 Dutch multi-party governments to the international stage as NATO's new Secretary General. On Wednesday, NATO ambassadors appointed the outgoing Dutch Prime Minister as the alliance's next Secretary General, its top civilian post. Rutte is scheduled to head the world's biggest military organization from October. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget to watch our channel DTVNN and log on to our OTT platform DTV Flix to explore over 3,000 channels which we provide.
कोई दिलचस्पी दुनिया की कहानी सुनाऊंगा।
कौन सी?
कोई गाफ की।
हम तुम्हें प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
Umro Ayyar, a sci-fi Urdu Hindi film, has been released on Eid Day. Please check listing theater near you. Must watch film Umro Ayyar.
इस इलाके में लक्का की हुकूमत चलेगी।